Diha, show me your teeth lang gabi. Yung braces lang gabi.
For the last time.
Aren't you gonna miss your braces na?
Not really. Wow, what a special day for Dia.
You, Diho.
No more braces.
Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. It's 10:07. We are heading to the orthodontist kasi today is the day tatanggalin na yung braces ni Jayden, and it's been 2.5 years yung braces niya. Napakaganda ng weather today. Hindi masyadong mainit kasi maaga pa. Medyo traffic today, may construction. Yung appointment natin is 10:30 and it's already 10:16. Asa siya mo one lane na didere? Mo kuan sila, mo merge sila dire?
I think.
Ay, kita mo merge dito.
Yeah.
Oh no. We are still here, guys. 10:22 already. 10:22. May construction kasi.
Na pag-fire truck sa likod.
Ha? Pag-iyon sa niya? Oh no.
Shit choice.
Pero after naman ito, wala nang traffic, diretso-diretso na. Let's go, go. See, diretso na siya. 23 na. We are here. Hurry. Sa gito nga level lang ga. Here, let's go. Masa ito nga 3, no? Close. Are you excited na? Matangtang na yung kuan? Braces? Little bit. Let's go. That's a time for me. I'm good. Wait. 11:39, still waiting for Diha. Dito na sila daddy. Pumunta kasi sila kanina sa Richmond Center. May may binili lang sila. And they're here. We're still waiting for Jayden. Asam ta after daddy? 12 na di ay? 11 pa uy. Bago pagay ko ningon 11:30 something. 11:41. Gusto daw nila mag-lunch sa FA 37. I can see Diha. He's here. Yee. Guys, andito na kami sa FA 37. Puno sila no, lunchtime naman good. Ito na yung food, guys. 4:37 yung sa akin. Mga bata, lemongrass chicken. Jayden is lemongrass pork.
Pork with
Mixed combo. Pork with
sugarcane mince with sa ganito kaning
lumpia. Ayan. The usual na order namin kapag pumunta kami dito. It's nice now because wala na itong mga anak mo. First time eating without braces.
feels good.
Feels good na.
Jacob, can you tell me that sauce, please?
Yan sa si Dr. Howe.
Nice smile.
Nice smile now. Then, you just have to take care of it.
Almost feels like I forgot how to eat.
Really? Now that you don't have braces? Garlic and pho, perfect. Hindi yan, nanibago talaga siya sa ipin niya. Sabi niya ngayon, sobrang smooth daw yung tip. Wala na kasi yung braces. pipick upin namin yung retainer niya next week. Mga 1 week from now, may appointment na kami. Thank you. Thank you. Tamarind drink. Ito din yung isa sa gusto kong inumin dito, guys. May mga nuts siya. Very unique yung lasa niya. Tamarind talaga. Matamis na maasim. It's really good.
Kanina guys ba, nung nasa Richmond Center kami while sila Jayden and si Mami Kay nasa sa ortho. Nakadakad kami sa Richmond Center na nakita ni Jacob yung chat time, and then sa labas nila may poster sila na ube, brown sugar latte. So sabi ni Jacob, pwede natin i-try kasi mahilig siya sa ube. So ngayon, ang problema kasi usually yung brown sugar na drink kasama yung pearl. So willing siya guys, kahit hindi siya kumakain ng pearl, willing siya na i-order yon for the sake lang na matikman niya yung yung drink na yun ba. And then in-order namin, and then nung in-order na namin, na-surprise siya dahil ang sarap. And then pinatikim niya sa akin, ang sarap nga guys. And then and then ngayon nagalit pa siya sa akin dahil bakit daw maliit yung binili namin. Yeah. Kasi nga baka hindi niya magustuhan ba, nasayang lang. So parang ngayon obligated pa ako na bumuli ulit kasi nga daw parang nabitin siya.
Yan ang willing na sa makuan. Kakain ng
pearl, yeah. Sabi niya, it's okay pag may pearl. Buti na lang nung nag-order ako sa tilt nila yung sa machine, may nakalagay doon, remove pearl. So, yeah. So, it made his day. Ang gustong-gusto. Overreact pa siya guys nung ininom niya. Pag ganun-ganon pa siya. Sabi ko, anong nangyari sa'yo? Sabi niya, it's so good, so good. Then pinatikim niya sa akin, pinatikim niya sa akin. Sabi ko na lang din. Jacob talaga.
ito siya.
Well, your eyes were like literally so open.
Ube,
And you
brown
never-
sugar
It was like
latte.
when you were sick.
Ito yung nagustuhan ni Jacob kanina. Unsa daw akong mood?
I was sick that time. I don't know.
Ito siya, ube.
Sick or sick. I drink mine. I'm gonna make.
Lumi ba yun na di? Try.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Ago, yeah, with Jake. That's why ingon ko nimo ganahan po ko dito. Because he said so. Naganahan po ko dito.
Lami. Imo nang gimix?
Yes.
Sige.
You try it if you like it.
Hindi. I-put lang sa nasa side. Ganahan kay ko sa ilang kuan.
On the side.
It's okay.
Pearl,
Sa ilang pearl kay grabe ka chewy.
chewy papa.
Papi. Thanks na.
So chat time day.
You try na imo lang ka.
Kana or
You're drinking milk.
I like this one.
I guess that's how hard I shaked it. Oh, it would be.
Ube lagi. Lami na.
I thought it would be purple actually.
Ha?
I thought it'd be.
There was a purple sa kuan on top. Then you mixed it man. So na kuan siya.
I didn't see purple.
You mix it naman.
There was a purple but not heavy purple.
There was a purple, but not that heavy purple.
Yummers?
Very good actually.
It's very good actually.
Nanda Jake.
I like this one. I said like. I feel weird without braces.
Really not. Very clean na kayo yung teeth.
I have a mobile order for May.
Yeah, we'll see everything.
Thank you. Orange cream, bago sa kailasan. Morning nga car, oh, if ever mapalit na yung pang work pang kaniyo.
Venue.
Barato kayo niyo niya. Dili siya kanang ubos nga auto.
Good morning, guys! Happy Thursday! 8:42 in the morning and maaga kami today dahil need namin i-drop off yung mga bata kasi may activity yung church and nag-volunteer sila.
Morning. Thank you.
So we ordered iced latte. Daddy's coffee. Kailangan yung mga bata na nandito na sila sa church by 8:45 and saktong time lang. Bye! God bless you and the Jex! Jack! Ayan. Kasi today is the day na kukunin natin yung retainers ni Jayden and then yung schedule is 2:30. Merong early time na pwede mo ma-pick up. May ano kasi sila dito sa church pa, VBS. Meron lang kaming kailangan gawin sa church, guys, yung sa camera. At least
So guys, ito yung story, yung blessing pala is si May in million years ay
Never
nagsiserve na sa church. Ano kasi very unexpected na pangyayari dahil ano siya, there was a time kasi na yung cameraman namin sa service nag-vacation siya, so yung reliever niya nag-commit siya guys, but you know, hindi natin alam anong nangyari nung Sunday na noon, hindi siya nakapunta, and because of that, no, there was a need. And a lot of times, I do believe that God calls us at times where not because God use you dahil may skills ka dyan or may talent ka dyan, but it's more on God will use you dahil available ka. So that time, wala kaming cameraman and then medyo nagpanic ako. Hindi din ako pwedeng mag-camera that time dahil nag-serve din ako sa worship team. So pinuntahan ko si May and asked her kung pwede si Jayden mag-camera. And then parang out of nowhere, sabi na lang niya na ako na lang. So sabi ko, okay, tara kasi mag-start na yung yung service. Na-happy naman yung worship pastor namin sa result. So after that, tinanong siya kung gusto niya bang maging part sa rotation, mag-serve sa camera namin. So after that, she's officially part na sa team. So I'm very grateful of that dahil, you know, it's more on God is calling our family. Kasi ngayon guys, lahat na kami nagsuserve. Like I'm part of the worship team, and then yung mga bata is mga kids din, they're in the kids ministry, and then si Justin is siya din yung sa media. So ngayon si May sa camera. So what a blessing sa amin yun. So the reason nandito kami guys is nung last Sunday kasi dalawa kasi yung camera namin, yung wide tsaka yung focus. Yung wide kasi nagiba yung settings. Pag ginagamit namin yung dalawa na video, and then pag nagpalit-palit sila ng video, hindi nagtutugma yung nila, yung color grade. So parang ang pangit dahil dito ganito na bright, and then pagdating dito biglang nag-dark. Actually na-fix na siya ni Justin kahapon. So ngayon lang titignan lang namin yung mga settings doon.
Kung anong ginawa niya para the next time na maulit to, at least we already know how to calibrate yung camera, kasi din yung camera nila medyo obsolete na siya talaga guys. Ang hirap na i-maneuver ba, so kailangan mo talagang pagtuunan na kung paano i-kalikot-kalikot yung camera. Yung nakaano pa yung ganito mo siya dalhin, tapos yung screen niya is parang pa-flip on the side. Yung ganon yung camera. So,
and speaking of blessing, may blessing din kami guys dahil nag-start kasi kami mga 2-3 months with the youth worship team. So we've been working with that for every Wednesday, nagmi-meet kami for rehearsal. And blessing lang guys kasi for how many months na ngayon that we've been really working hard, and we always have this devotion. Being part of a worship team, it's not about music, it's not about producing music. I think producing music is an outcome of having the heart to serve God. And I'm just so grateful na yung sa mga bata, makikita ko talaga that they have the heart to serve. We're very grateful na yung church really invested on them. So the blessing is on August 30. That is their like parang anong tawag na debut, yung yung first
exposure.
yeah, it's their first Sunday that they're gonna lead the Sunday worship service. Ano sila guys, tinatawag namin yun as a youth worship opener. They're gonna play 2 songs, so it's very exciting.
9 to 9:50 na sila sa sanctuary. Magkuan sila, mag-worship. Grabe na yung gray hair natin. Pero ayoko kasi magpakulay ng buhok, kaya I'm growing my gray hair. Ano mo lang yan. Parang we need to accept na talagang dun tayo pupunta. Kulay ka kay kuan ka nang murag daghan ako no kay ko gray hair ba niya siya kay kuan mo sa siya dadi ka nang nagpakulay pod ng buhok ba. Yung ko no, thank you. I'm good with my hair.
Embrace the natural.
Yeah, kasi grabe na sa gid mong kuan akong gray hair.
Okay naman. It doesn't kuan man.
Yeah, okay naman akong buhok. Kay kung magpa-color good ka, magsige na kagpa-color ng buhok kay pila lang after 2 weeks mutubo na niya na lain na kayo ba niya murag it's time consuming nga magsige pa-color. Might as well just let it be. And then unsaon man ako ay asa man ang
kaning man kani siya kailangan ni mo ayaw ko sa
wow, perfect. Guys, andito na yung mga bata. Pinick up na namin sila kanina sa church. And lunchtime, it's already 1:20. Appointment natin is 2:30. And kain muna kami guys. Andito kami sa Pho 36. I ordered this beef pho. That looks so good and it's massive. Nakuha kayo eh. Ano sa siya dali?
beef ribs.
Beef ribs. And diha, kang diha yan. Saan na yan? Alam mo ano eh. Wala to napak-cancel ang kuano ka ng vegetables. May nakita ako sa picture nila na taho siya guys. Talagang pure taho. Pero nung pag-order namin, it looks like this. Asa man asa ang mga pearls nasa sulod? Ayan. That one.
Yeah, 68.
Ayan. Beef rib pho.
But he just take out an entire lane because he puts all barbed wire on. An entire lane of barbed wire. Like this is the walkway, and then what if you just put a bunch of barbed wire on it?
Yeah. But also to enemies could break you. But if an enemy goes in it, they get they get very slow, then they get damaged.
I feel like they should get damaged, but only when they move.
Yeah.
If they go in, they get damaged, and then they don't move, they don't get damaged. But when you start moving, then you get damaged.
We got calamares and then boneless chicken.
As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do
here. Punta na kami sa appointment. Umuka na eh. And guys, andito na kami sa ortho, and if you can see that one, that's Diha. Ayan. Diha is here. Are you wearing your aligners now?
Yeah. They said if there's like grinding, if you see like just like scratches or something, they suggest that I take like night guard.
Night guard?
And night guard is like
Oh, you told
same
him.
thing. Yeah, same thing, but like more.
So, night guard on
Thicker.
top of your retainer, or during nighttime just wear night guard.
I think night guard just wear when you sleep. Oh no, this thing hinders like how I speak now.
I know, it's like that. Do you still need to do scan
Yeah, 2 days like my first scanning day.
later?
I sound thankfully weird.
Ito na yung ano niya, retainers niya.
The way I say the S is sound weird now.
you?
How are you?
Friend, you say friend.
Now you'll get used to it, baby.
With my F.
Nahihirapan daw siyang magsalita, especially yung sa F at saka sa S. Kasi ano na siya, aligners.
Happy na siya sa
Yeah, included na siya.
No, hindi siya ka ng extra.
No. Only kung mawala na siya or mabuak niya, then ang kuan bayad na ka. So, he has officially done. Retainers na siya. So, that's it guys. We are going home. Thank you guys for watching. Diha, you smile one more time.
As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.